Alright, so let's get started. Let's start with the base piece. Okay, so let's add the connectors here. So this is going to connect with all the pieces. And then this is the second connector. Oops. Alright, just like so. Alright, so I would like to add a couple connector first. So that is easier this way. Then let's add this piece onto the top slowly, and then so we can get the connectors in already. Oops. Yay, looking good. All right, let's see if we can add all the connector first. So let's turn to the back. So this one is gonna go in from here. Yes, and then this one onto the other side. Yay, looking good. And then this one is gonna go here. Yep. And this one gonna go here. So we can take care of all the connector first. So this one, I think goes right here. Oops. Looking good. And then one more. Just like so. Alright, so the yellow one goes here. We're almost done. Yep. Alright, so we got all the connectors in. And let's add this piece onto the top. Looking good. All the connectors in. The last piece. Yay! We got it. Super cute. And if you want to build the other one, the Sailor Moon style, check out my other video. And then so you can have all these, and then you can make the mini bee because it looks really good on a mini bee for a keychain too. Alright, see ya! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!